हाय स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे योर फिफ्थ डे। आज आपका 5वां दिन है एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट इज स्पीकिंग ऑन अ टॉपिक। जी हाँ, आज से आप टॉपिक पे बोलना शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। आई टेल यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट दैट फॉर स्पीकिंग ऑन ए टॉपिक वी नीड टू थिंग्स। वन, वी हैव लिप, and second, kiss. With the help of lip we kiss someone. So what do we need? We need two things. One is lip and second is kiss. You must be thinking कि आखिर ये लिप और किस की क्या मामला है। टॉपिक पे बोलना है तो why do we talk about lip and kiss? Well, when we need to speak on a topic, we require some important things, and among those important things, lip is there. L stands for language. Can you imagine? Can we speak on a topic without having the knowledge of language? You can't. So we need to have language. And second, ideas. When we have to speak, what will we speak? How will we speak is the part of language. But what to speak is the part of ideas. So we'll generate ideas. We'll give you, we'll tell you, we'll teach you how to generate ideas, how to do practice so that the ideas can flash in your mind. Okay, so we'll teach you that. And the most important factor, that is practice. Practice, practice, and practice. You know language, you have ideas. Now, what is left? Practice. Practice will make you perfect. So we'll teach you how to do it. Now, come to the kiss. If you are a learner, you must keep in mind kiss because it will help you a lot. K stands for keep, I stands for it, S short and simple. बिल्कुल सही बोला मैंने। अगर आप शुरुआती दौर में हैं, speak small sentences, use simple words so that you can speak at length and you must not commit grammatical mistakes. So this is what lip and kiss. So we are going to start with speaking about a place. See, this session is divided into 3 parts. So let's study the first part. If you know how to speak on a place, if you have learned the methods of speaking on one place, similarly you can speak about any place. So a number of places, whatever you have in your mind, you can speak. As you can speak about my village, my town, my school, my country, my estate, my hometown, my colony, my villa, any place. Almost more or less the method will be same. Okay, so let's enjoy. Let's take the first one, that is my village. See, when you are said to speak on any topic, when you are said to speak about a place, and particularly you are facing a group of people, then you need to introduce yourself first. Okay, and while introducing yourself, you must keep in mind your topic. Hi, this is Nagendra Singh. आपको ये कहने का तरीका है, I have already taught you how to introduce yourself. तो उसमें बहुत सारे तरीका मैंने बता रखा है, so you can use any of them. So simply I have used hi, this is Nagendra Singh. I am going to speak about my village. Well friends, I belong to a village. हाँ दोस्तों, मैं एक गांव का रहने वाला हूँ, या ये भी आप कह सकते हो I live in a village. मैं एक गांव में रहता हूँ. So this is your introduction in a nutshell. You need not to make it longer so that the audience must not feel boring, because you have come to tell about your village and you are telling only about yourself, so your audience will start feeling bored. So you must keep in mind that it should be short and simple. Now, after having completed this, we need to introduce our village. In fact, I am speaking about my village, so I'll introduce my village. The name of my village is dash. The name of my village is Narayanpur. Okay, so simply you can say the name of my village is Narayanpur, whatever name your village has. Okay. आप इसको दूसरे तरीका से भी कर सकते हैं. You can tell I live in a village named, मैं गांव में रहता हूँ जिसका नाम नारायणपुर है. और you can say my village is called नारायणपुर, मेरा गांव नारायणपुर कहा जाता है. It's a beautiful small village in dash district. Name of the district you can take. It's a beautiful small village in सीतामढ़ी district. यह सीतामढ़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एक छोटा सा और सुंदर गांव है. Now you can tell about the distance from the main town. It's about 5 kilometers away from the main town. यह मुख्य शहर से 5 किलोमीटर दूर है. It's connected by many good roads. यह बहुत सारे अच्छे सड़कों से जुड़ी हुई है. मतलब आपके गांव की सड़कें बहुत अच्छी है. Generally roads have their names. Dash road leads to my village. मतलब particular name of the road, अमुक रोड मेरे गांव को जाती है. This way people will have ideas about your village, where really your village is. So people will come to know about your village. Now you need to tell about police station, block, post office. These are the parts of your address. And while telling about your village, you need to mention these things too. Okay, so you can use it's under dash block, name of the block. It's under dash police station. It's under dash post office. So this way you can express yourself. See, your village must be surrounded by many villages. I mean to say that there will be many villages in different directions. So that is called चौहद्दी. We generally call location चौहद्दी. Generally आप सुनते होंगे कि अपने गांव का चौहद्दी बताइए. So how will you say? चौहद्दी means what? चारों तरफ जो गांव है उसका बताइए. I tell you very simple method of telling exact location of your village by telling different names of the villages. You can say रामपुर village is in the north of it. मतलब इसके उत्तर में रामपुर गांव है. श्यामपुर विलेज इज इन द साउथ ऑफ इट. इसके दक्षिण में श्यामपुर विलेज है. ब्रह्मपुर विलेज इज इन द ईस्ट ऑफ इट. धर्मपुर विलेज इज इन द वेस्ट ऑफ इट. सो दिस वे यू कैन एक्सप्लेन योर विलेज. सो बिफोर वी स्टडी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, वी नीड टू practice it again and again so that we can get fluency in it, and we must not have language problem, we must not have ideas problem, because these two things can make you speak, but you need still practice to it. So you need to practice it again. Thank you very much.